After looking at the orchid flowers, you must have thought, wow, beautiful orchids. But this plant just got restored. मरते मरते बचा ये plant. गलती मेरी थी. I did some mistakes. I thought if I'll make a video on what mistakes I made while growing orchids, it will be helpful for you people so that you will not make those mistakes. And right from the beginning, you will have beautiful orchid plants at your home. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, this is Sudha Singitam and welcome back to my channel Videolia. So I got this plant around 1.5 years back, and when I got this plant it was very small. It came in a small container. I ordered it from Amazon, and then after few months it started growing. And then I thought the roots are not getting any space in that small pot, so I repotted it. And obviously I did not knew all this before, and I repotted it into a normal pot. And one more mistake I did was while repotting I used the regular garden soil. Now this was a blunder of mine, because orchids, later when I read about it, I came to know that orchids do not need or do not grow in garden soil, because they have aerial roots. The roots need to come out of the holes of the planter and they need to breathe. And the kind of material that orchid needs is pieces of bark, wood chips, brick pieces, because they retain lot of humidity and moisture in them, and that moisture and humidity is enough for the orchid to grow. One more important point is the sunlight. Initially when I got this plant, I placed it under shade, but later I moved it to direct sun because I had to hang some other plant there. And then I think in December or January, so at that time it was fine, but when the summer started, it couldn't tolerate the heat and the leaves started drying and falling off. Then I immediately shifted to window side of our kitchen where a direct sun doesn't fall on the orchid. Next important thing is watering. When the orchids were hanging on the wall, I used to pour water with this one. And then even after keeping near the kitchen window area also, I was pouring water with this one, which was my one more terrible mistake. Orchids don't like to sit in water. How we need to water is just we need to take out the pot and dip it in a bucket of water and let it be there for 10 or 15 minutes and remove it from them. And anyways they will absorb the humidity and moisture from the air. Watering too much causes fungal infection in the orchids. And after I rectified all of those mistakes, this is the result. It started blooming, a spike came out of it and it has bloomed so well. These flowers are 2 weeks old. It started blooming one by one flower after another, and now it is fully bloomed. And to my surprise, not just that the orchids have bloomed so well, it started growing a keiki. What's a keiki? I'll just show you. So you see, this is keiki. It's the baby orchid that has grown on the same plant, and the aerial roots are nice and spongy. I let it grow this baby keiki for some extent, like at least it should have 2-3 leaves so that it can prepare its own food. And then I will repot this one. This time I'll not make a mistake while repotting. We all make mistakes, but what we learn from our mistakes is important. So that's all for now on my orchid plant. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Take care. See ya. Me and my orchid signing off.